Trust me, this right here is the only guide you will need to start with Amazon FBA and become successful. In this video, I reveal every secret that the professional use because I spent over $5,000 on buying course. I put all those knowledge in this video. Whether you're just starting out or looking to optimize your existing FBA business, this video will cover everything you need to know to succeed with fulfillment by Amazon. What is Amazon FBA? Let's start with the basics. FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. It's a service that allows sellers to store their products in Amazon's fulfillment centers. When a customer places an order, Amazon picks, packs, and ships the product on your behalf. They also handle customer service and returns. The key benefits of FBA include leveraging Amazon's world-class fulfillment network, offering prime shipping to customers, saving time on order processing and shipping, scaling your business more easily. Essentially, FBA allows you to focus on sourcing great products and growing your business while Amazon handles the logistics. How Amazon FBA works. Here's a step-by-step overview of the FBA process. 1. You send your inventory to Amazon's fulfillment centers. 2. Amazon receives and stores your products. 3. A customer places an order for your product on Amazon. 4. Amazon picks, packs, and ships the order to the customer. 5. Amazon provides customer service and handles returns. It's a streamlined system that takes a lot of work off your plate as a seller. Getting started with Amazon FBA. Now let's walk through how to get started selling with FBA. Step 1. Create an Amazon seller account. First, you'll need to sign up for an Amazon seller account. Go to sellercentral.amazon.com and click Register Now. You can choose between an individual or professional selling plan. The professional plan costs $39.99 a month, but comes with more features. You'll need to provide business name and address, phone number, credit card info, tax information, bank account for payments. Step 2. Choose products to sell. Next, you need to decide what products you want to sell. Here are some tips for product selection. Look for items with high demand and low competition. Check Amazon's product restrictions and approval requirements. Consider product size and weight. Impacts FBA fees. Aim for a healthy profit margin after all fees. Research trends and seasonal items. Use tools like AMZScout or Helium 10 to help with product research and validation. Step 3. Source your products. Once you've chosen products, you need to find suppliers. Options include wholesale suppliers, manufacturers, domestic or overseas, retail arbitrage, online arbitrage, private label manufacturing. For private label, Alibaba is a popular place to find manufacturers. Always vet suppliers carefully and order samples before placing a large order. Step 4. Create your product listings. Now it's time to create your Amazon product listings. Key elements include descriptive title with relevant keywords, high-quality images, main image, plus additional views, bullet points highlighting key features, benefits, detailed product description, search terms, back-end keywords. Optimize your listings for both search and conversion. Use tools like Helium 10's Listing Optimizer for help. Step 5. Prepare and ship inventory to Amazon. To send inventory to Amazon's warehouses. 1. Create a shipping plan in Seller Central. 2. Prepare your products according to Amazon's requirements. 3. Print Amazon shipping labels. 4. Ship to the designated fulfillment centers. Make sure to follow all of Amazon's prep requirements to avoid issues or extra fees. Step 6. Manage your FBA business. Once your products are live, you'll need to monitor inventory levels and restock as needed, optimize product listings and pricing, respond to customer questions, manage returns and refunds, track sales and profitability. Use Seller Central tools and reports to stay on top of your business. Amazon FBA fees. It's crucial to understand FBA fees to ensure profitability. The main FBA fees include fulfillment fees, picking, packing, shipping, monthly storage fees, long-term storage fees, removal, disposal fees, returns processing fees. Fees vary based on product size, weight, and time of year. Always use Amazon's FBA calculator to estimate fees and profitability before listing a product. Pros and cons of Amazon FBA. Let's look at some key advantages and disadvantages of using FBA. Pros: access to prime customers, hands-off fulfillment, easier scaling of your business, multi-channel fulfillment option, Amazon handles customer service. Cons: FBA fees cut into profits, less control over inventory, strict preparation requirements, potential for commingled inventory, long-term storage fees. Consider these factors when deciding if FBA is right for your business. Tips for FBA success. Here are some best practices to maximize your success with Amazon FBA. Optimize your listings. Use relevant keywords in titles and bullet points. Create high-quality images that showcase your product. Write compelling product descriptions. Utilize A+ content if brand registered. Price competitively. Use automatic repricing tools to stay competitive. Factor in all costs when setting prices. Consider promotional strategies like coupons or lightning deals. Manage inventory effectively. Use inventory forecasting tools. Set reorder points to avoid stockouts. Remove slow-moving inventory to reduce storage fees. Focus on product quality. Source high-quality products to minimize returns. Address quality issues quickly if they arise. Continuously improve based on customer feedback. Provide excellent customer service. Respond promptly to customer questions. Address negative feedback professionally. Go above and beyond to resolve issues. Utilize Amazon's programs. Enroll in brand registry for enhanced protections. Use Amazon Vine for initial reviews. Take advantage of promotional opportunities like Deal of the Day. Stay compliant. Follow all of Amazon's policies and guidelines. Keep accurate records for taxes. Stay up to date on changing requirements. Advanced FBA strategies. Once you've mastered the basics, consider these advanced tactics. Product bundling. Create unique product bundles to differentiate from competitors and increase average order value. International expansion. Use Amazon Global Selling to reach customers in other countries and marketplaces. Sponsored products advertising. Utilize Amazon's PPC advertising to increase visibility and sales for your products. Brand building. Focus on building a recognizable brand to foster customer loyalty and stand out from competitors. Diversification. Expand into multiple product categories to reduce risk and increase overall sales. Automation. Implement tools and software to automate repetitive tasks and scale more efficiently. Common FBA mistakes to avoid. Watch out for these pitfalls. Not accounting for all costs when pricing products. Letting inventory run out of stock. Neglecting product quality control. Violating Amazon's policies. Poor inventory management leading to high storage fees. Not optimizing listings for search and conversion. Ignoring customer feedback and reviews. Failing to differentiate from competitors. FBA versus other fulfillment methods. How does FBA compare to other options? FBA versus FBM. Fulfillment by merchant. FBA. Amazon handles fulfillment. FBM. You handle storage and shipping. FBA is generally easier to scale, but has higher fees. FBM gives you more control, but requires more work. FBA versus 3PL. Third-party logistics. FBA. Integrated with Amazon. Access to Prime. 3PL. More flexibility. Potential cost savings for high-volume sellers. Consider using a mix of fulfillment methods as your business grows. Tools for FBA sellers. Here are some popular tools to help manage your FBA business. Jungle Scout. Product research and tracking. Helium 10. All-in-one suite for product research, listing optimization, etc. Feedback. Wiz. Automate feedback and review management. Selix. Profit analytics and PPC management. Inventory Lab. Inventory and accounting management. Invest in tools that save you time and provide valuable insights for your business. Scaling your FBA business. As your FBA business grows, consider these strategies. 1. Expand your product line. 2. Increase your advertising budget. 3. Hire virtual assistants for routine tasks. 4. Implement inventory and order management software. 5. Explore multi-channel selling, eBay, Walmart, etc. 6. Consider working with a freight forwarder for larger shipments. Always reinvest profits to fuel growth and stay competitive. The future of Amazon FBA. Keep an eye on these trends shaping the future of FBA. Increased competition and saturation in popular categories. Growing emphasis on brand building and differentiation. Expansion of Amazon's fulfillment network. New advertising options and targeting capabilities. Increased focus on sustainability and eco-friendly practices. Potential for more advanced automation and AI integration. Stay adaptable and continue learning to thrive in the evolving e-commerce landscape. Amazon FBA offers a powerful opportunity to build a successful e-commerce business. By leveraging Amazon's fulfillment network and massive customer base, you can focus on finding great products and growing your brand. Remember, success with FBA requires ongoing effort, adaptation, and a commitment to providing value to customers. Stay informed about changes in the Amazon ecosystem, continuously optimize your listings and operations, and always put the customer first. We hope this guide has given you a comprehensive overview of Amazon FBA and the tools you need to succeed. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more e-commerce tips and strategies. Good luck with your FBA journey.